vegetables, carrot, good for eye health, tomato, good for skin, potato, gives energy, onion, improves immunity, garlic, good for heart health, cabbage, improves digestion, cauliflower, rich in vitamins, broccoli, helps prevent disease, spinach, good for blood health, kale, high in nutrients. Cucumber, keeps you hydrated. Capsicum bell pepper, rich in vitamin C. Chili, improves metabolism. Beetroot, good for blood. Bitter gourd, controls blood sugar. Bottle gourd, good for digestion. Pumpkin, good for eyes. Zucchini, good for digestion. Brinjal eggplant, good for heart health. Okra ladyfinger, good for bones. Radish, improves digestion. Turnip, good for skin. Sweet potato, good for energy. Peas, rich in protein. Green beans, good for heart. Corn, gives energy. Leek, good for digestion. Celery, good for hydration. Mushroom, good for immunity. Asparagus, helps digestion. Ginger, good for digestion. Fenugreek leaves, good for blood sugar. Mustard greens, good for immunity. Spring onion, good for digestion. Lettuce, keeps body cool. Chayote, good for heart. Ivy gourd, helps in diabetes. Drumstick morena, good for bones. Yam, good for energy. Parsley, good for digestion. Mint leaves, refreshes breath. Coriander leaves, good for digestion. Curry leaves, good for hair health. Ridge gourd, good for weight loss. Snake gourd, cools the body. Pointed gourd, good for digestion. Cluster beans, good for heart. Colocasia leaves, good for bones. Radish leaves, good for skin. Spinach beet, good for blood.